हेलो जॉन। या दिस इज सुनीता फ्रॉम इंडिया टीवी। जॉन, वर्ल्ड कप का फीवर हर जगह चल रहा है इस वक्त और हम लोग पांचवा मैच लगातार जीत चुके हैं।
जी
धोनी की कैप्टनशिप को कपिल देव की कैप्टनशिप से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है, क्या कहेंगे आप धोनी के ये चीज को लेकर?
जी मैं कंपेयर तो नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज आई हैवंट सीन एज मैनी मैचेस ऑफ कपिल देव बट आई बिलीव धोनी इज़ द बेस्ट कैप्टन इंडिया हैज़ एवर हैड जितना भी मैं देख चुका हूँ एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट क्योंकि आई नो हिम पर्सनली ही इज़ रियली द बेस्ट कैप्टन इंडिया हैज़ एवर हैड और जितने सारे वर्ल्ड कप के मैचेस हैं मैं फॉलो कर रहा हूँ इनफैक्ट ये भी मैच फॉलो कर रहा था मैं आज श्रीलंका वर्सेस स्कॉटलैंड आई थॉट इट वाज 145 for 1 टिल आई लास्ट सॉ इट उसके बाद तो आई हैव लॉस्ट ट्रैक बट आई फॉलो इट वेरी वेल एंड आई होप इंडिया रिमेन्स एट दैट लेवल मुझे यही डर है कि इंडिया शुड नॉट हैव पीक टू सून क्योंकि 5 मैच अगर लगातार हम लोग जीते आई थिंक वी आर प्लेइंग बांग्लादेश इन द क्वार्टर्स मेरे हिसाब से या सो आई जस्ट होप a good form continues and I hope like they say we won't give it back right
We won't
yes
give
I
it back.
hope we get the World Cup back yeah very
Time
soon
now for the last couple of questions, I think. In terms of size, in terms of volume, it's the biggest issue of men's health.
he's being nice to me because I'm sitting here
It truly is. It's the biggest issue we've ever done. Yes. Questions for John? Anything else? John, I have a question. One very poignant story in the article that you've written in your interview talks about how you went to Hollywood after facing an injury, after having an accident, and you, despite being a big Bollywood star, you had to actually convince a trainer over there to prove
Yeah.
your dedication to him to train you.
Yeah.
Right? Wasn't didn't you find it belittling in any which way? And you've spoken so honestly about it.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
So I went to Los Angeles in 2006 after my accident
Yes.
or I was on crutches then and I'd lost all my work in the industry because all the producers came and gave me my money back saying you can't walk. Fair enough, I couldn't walk. And then
It was a motorbike accident.
it was a motorbike accident and I googled at that point of time the best trainer and they took me to LA and I went and I met a trainer there called Mike Ryan and he came out into the parking lot and he said you got to pay $100 an hour and I said yeah I'll pay it and then he said wait here and he came out and he gave me dumbbells and I couldn't walk I just got off crutches and he said do the lunges and while doing lunges means you keep one leg ahead then one leg ahead and you bend down while doing lunges I fell and he said get up and I said but I've got hurt he's saying have you come here to work out or have you come here to make excuses so get up I got up I had tears in my eyes because of the pain but I continued doing it and for 1 week I did lunges in the parking lot and then I went into the gym then he got me to the gym to work out and that's when I started working out so my only point I'm trying to make is you could be you could have 1,000 complaints in your life कि ये दुख रहा है मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है ये खाना नहीं मिलता है मेरे घर पे कोई खाना नहीं बनाता है you can have 1,000 excuses you have to get over all these excuses if you have to be the best there's no other way for each one of you Jamal sorry can I introduce everybody to Vinod as well
So we have here Vinod Channa, who's John's trainer. He's the guy responsible for that physique. Can we have a round of applause for him?
so so Vinod has Vinod has trained me for Force and Shootout at Badala and Race 2 and now Rocky Hansen and he's responsible for this great physique and like I say trainers are always your gurus so it's always good to have someone who has more knowledge than you do and it's great that he's here and I can never thank him enough just like I can never thank anybody who's helped me in my life enough. So, on a parting note, I'd also like to honestly thank Dabbu. Very few people know he's responsible for my success. This man actually shot my portfolio when I had no money. And, we tend to forget and grow too big. But this man is actually responsible for everything that I am today. And Jamal is not a journalist to me, very honestly. Jamal is my oldest friend when I first became a model. And I have seen this boy grow and grow and grow, and today he's the editor of one magazine and very soon to be announced, maybe 3, 4 others. So I always feel happy when I see people who are close to me grow, and he's grown, and it just feels, I feel very proud, and I'm a fan of Men's Health, and it's great to be on the cover, because when you show your body, you'd rather show it on a Men's Health than on a film magazine. So I'm happy I'm on the right magazine to show my body.
This is one of the Vinod. Thanks for being here. We're glad you're here. Let me also tell you guys that this is one of the few covers that John has shot in years.
Yeah.
Yes. He has. He's not a person who goes and does too many interviews and shoots and stuff.
Yeah, I've been accused by my agents. They say, ना तो तुम शादियों पे नाचते हो, ना अवार्ड फंक्शन में जाते हो, ना कवर्स करते हो, कुछ नहीं करते हो, पैसा कहाँ मिलेगा हमें? And I say, listen, I want to do less work, but I want to do good work, which is one of the reasons why no one's seen me on screen for at least 1.5 years now. It's because after Madras Cafe, I didn't get anything that was exciting enough. And I honestly, Welcome Back is something that makes me happy. As a child, I feel very happy. Brings out the kid in me. It's a universal film, no double meaning, no exposure, no dirty language. After long, you're going to get to see a film where you can take your entire family and not be embarrassed. And I think Welcome Back is that film. And after that, I've got a film that's close to my heart, that's Rocky Handsome. So, again, I always have a relationship with the media that's now you see him, now you don't. But you all have always been great, and thank you for coming here today.
But John, I think the biggest sign here, because he believes in fitness, his cover is out not to promote a film of his. He believes in a fit lifestyle, and he wants that message to go out to as many people as possible. So thank you for that, John. We wish you the best in the films when they happen later in the year. And we have a few one-on-one interviews, but thank you all for being here. Hope you had fun, and hope you're going to stick around for a longer time.
Thanks for listening to my boring fitness tips.
Guys, I need a space, guys.
इसके साथ ही करें.
John sir, right में. John sir, right में. John sir, on your right here. John right. John right please. Right side में.
I need to come there.
Good, you're here.
अरे एक सेकंड रुकना कभी.
Got it, Vinod?
John here.
So we will go now. John is on stage.
Yeah.
Guys, give.
Right here. John sir, on your right here. John sir here. John sir here.
Okay, guys, thanks. One to one,
One on one,